Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. The title says it all. What is the best crypto to buy on Gemini right now? It's the question I get asked constantly, and honestly, the answer is always changing. Today, I'm going to give you my personal, unfiltered take based on my experience and what I'm actually accumulating on the platform this month. Disclaimer and my investment philosophy. First things first, and this is crucial, this is not financial advice. I'm just an individual sharing my own investment decisions. Do your own research. Now, my personal philosophy on Gemini is to balance security, since they are a highly regulated exchange, with growth potential. I don't mess with hypervolatile, obscure microcaps here. I stick to tokens with strong fundamentals. My top 3 picks on Gemini. So, what am I buying right now? I've got 3 top picks, each for a different reason. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Look, I know it's not the exciting 100x gem, but for my core holdings, Bitcoin remains my number 1. On a regulated exchange like Gemini, I feel confident about my custody. It's the ultimate store of value, the most stable, and every portfolio needs a foundation. I'm simply adding small amounts consistently. 2. Ethereum, ETH. My second pick is Ethereum. It's the platform where almost all of decentralized finance and most NFTs are built. Its move to proof-of-stake has made it more efficient, and the constant innovation happening on its layer 2s is a huge catalyst. If the broader crypto market grows, ETH is guaranteed to be a major winner. 3. Solana, SOL. For a bit more risk and higher potential reward, I'm focused on Solana. It has blazing fast transaction speeds and extremely low fees, which has driven massive retail adoption recently. The ecosystem is vibrant with new projects, especially in the meme coin and DePIN space. I view Solana as the main challenger to Ethereum's dominance, and its price action reflects that growth. Why these picks and final thoughts? So why these 3? Simple: security and fundamentals. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the established giants, and Solana is showing massive momentum with real utility. For me, buying on Gemini is all about securing those long-term assets that I believe will define the next decade of finance. I've found that attempting to chase the latest unknown pump on this platform rarely pays off compared to a solid, fundamental strategy. Start with the basics, then look for a proven challenger. You remember, my strategy is simple: buy quality assets, dollar cost average, and hold for the long term. Call to action and sign off. That's my quick, straight to the point answer for the best crypto to buy on Gemini right now. Thank you so much for watching. I genuinely hope this gave you some valuable educational insight into my own personal strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest crypto deep dives. I'll see you in my next video.